Hello friends, welcome back to the final review, the final update for these financial predictions. We have NVIDIA and of course Tesla, which we'll be covering later on. So guys, there's only one day left for the month, before the month ends, before the new year start. So I wish you all, I wish you are having a good day, not just today, but tomorrow and every single day, but spend some time with your family, your friends, do some good stuff, and take it easy, guys. It's a day to relax, to celebrate, to be around with good people and all of that, right? I always appreciate what you have. Okay, so having said that, you guys will see me again the next year on the first days of January, probably on Thursday or something like that. We'll bring more predictions. You still have some time to bring your suggestions to the comments. I mean, if you want me to cover, for example, Apple or gold or silver or forex or an indicator like the SP500 or whatever, just write down in the comments what you want me to cover. Otherwise, I'll continue covering NVIDIA because this is one of my favorites. It's one of my most traded stocks, so I have a personal reason to cover that. But also, I will choose randomly one of the other that I am interested in covering, unless you give me your suggestions. Also, I will be doing 4 predictions this time for cryptocurrencies, because that community is growing really strong, guys. I mean, I want that same love that I get in my crypto channels to be replicated here. So guys, get to work, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, give me your comments, interact with the channel, which really helps it grow. And maybe then I will get also very generous with you all and will bring you even 4 or more predictions for forex traditional finances, of course. So if you want to see those crypto predictions, just head over to my crypto channel, and that's where you'll see. That's where you will see all of my crypto material, right? Because this channel is only for traditional finance. This is not for cryptocurrencies. Okay, so having said that, today is 30th of December, is one of the last days, and we see that for NVIDIA it was actually not a very bad day. It's actually kinda slightly greenish, given that this is a position where it starts and this is where it ends. So very volatile day. Just like I told you, it will be this pattern right here. Whenever we have this day shared by opposite energies, green or red, we almost always guarantee of a volatile day, extreme volatility. So from the start to the closing position, it's a 2% uptrend, so it's actually quite nice. I mean, it's not the best, but for the last days of the month, which are always almost universally, even in cryptocurrencies, even on other indicators, whatever, for some reason they always tend to have very, very strong corrective energies. So it's very good that we get a green day today for NVIDIA, even in the middle of this powerful correction pattern right here on the last circle right here. Maybe tomorrow is going to be a solid red day. I think that's normal. That could be actually very likely the most logical conclusion to the month. But at least NVIDIA scored a very nice green day before it goes down eventually. Unfortunately, NVIDIA did not reach the levels that I was expecting. I told you that I was expecting powerful impulses on the 24, 25, and we only got one on the 23, and on the 24 was very volatile, but towards the end. So yeah, there was not a chance. I mean, there was little. I mean, I wish that this impulse that we got on Monday could actually have continued straight up on the 24, and maybe then it could have reached the similar levels that I was talking. That would have required a 4% jump, but it was actually, I think, doable, right? Anyways, we got very close to it. It's actually from this, it's only like 3% difference, something like that. So it was actually quite close, but yeah. Okay, so this is the NVIDIA one. I mean, guys, this is the end of the chart. I really don't have much to say. There's only one day left, which could be, and it's almost guaranteed to be a correction. But overall, this prediction was extremely accurate, as always, guys. I mean, every single circle, maybe just like a couple, I think only a couple got wrong, but the rest of the chart, the boxes, all of this was a very, very accurate chart, as always. Now, the only thing that I told you in the very beginning is that you should ignore these ellipses. And I think you might not see them again, because I didn't really like them. They were quite confusing, not just to me, but I also imagine to you all, because many of these ellipses actually share the same days, and it's kind of confusing, right? So I think I will only stick to the boxes and the circles. So ignore the ellipses. They were just a marker for potential green or red days with strong volatility. That's all it was. And some days they got it right, for example today on the 30, but they are just very confusing, right? So maybe we'll never see them again. So who knows? Yeah, let's go back to the Tesla chart. And yeah, Tesla, unfortunately, unlike NVIDIA, just straight up correction after correction. And today was basically a nothing burger day for Tesla. A yellow day where the position ends very, very, if not identical to the starting one. So many people have their own theories about why Tesla really dumped this powerful. I mean, I predicted this on the 27th, lots of volatility for that day. And look at this, it's 4%, something like that. So it's quite volatile. It was a quite volatile day. But I was saying, like, many people are saying, they have their own theories, that part of the reason why Tesla is really behaving so bad in these last days compared to what we were seeing in the first 2 weeks of December. Some people think it's because of the Elon Musk meltdown, right, on the Twitter scene. So if you had Twitter, I mean, unless you're living under a rock, you know about that meltdown, right? I'm not American, so I can't really say anything about that. It's not my country, whatever. But it was a quite bizarre meltdown from Elon Musk. I mean, you will think that the richest person in the world will behave differently, right? But I mean, it's just very childish, the whole platform right here, I mean, X, Twitter, whatever you call it, it feels like there's a lot of childish people over there. I mean, the only viral posts that get promoted very crazily are just extreme childish stuff, making fun of others, starting flame wars. I mean, it's very, very childish, but it's very useful at the same time to get to the right audience, which is my case. I never mess with anything or with anyone. I only publish my work, and I only do that work, and that's all I do. I don't interfere in politics or society, whatever. I mean, I don't care about that stuff. I only care about making money. And I also care about if you make money and if you can save money. That's my real purpose right here. But yeah, guys, for Tesla, and just like I told you guys, even though Tesla was seeing these green days on the last circles, which is very rare, almost all of my predictions always end with a red circle, and the few that don't and end with a green circle, they don't really tend to play out. And I told you this weeks ago. I told you that don't be so optimistic about these last days, because even though they are shown as green, they most likely will not play out as uptrends. And that's exactly what we saw today. That's exactly what we can see tomorrow, which will be the final day of the month. And I'm already working. I've been working just since yesterday in my crypto predictions. So if you really want to see them, maybe today in like a couple hours, I will publish them, the first two of them. my Twitter account. You can follow me. There should be a link in the YouTube channel section, something like that, and you can follow my work there. It's usually the first place where I publish my charts. But yeah, I'm already working on this. I will be delivering the new financial charts on either, I think, Thursday or Friday, most likely Thursday. But yeah, guys, that's all I want to share with you all. Again, I wish you a good day. I wish you a good New Year's Eve tomorrow with your family. Even the people who are watching me, even in Japan, I do have some Asiatic subscribers or watchers, whatever. So merry, happy New Year's to you all if you are already on that time frame, time zone, whatever. So yeah, a final invite so you can share, subscribe, like, comment, and engage with this content, right? I'll see you guys next time. Take care.